Okay, now I have to do the piston rings. The first ring will be 0.007 inches. The bottom ring will be 0.009. That is the specs from what I've researched. Alright, what do I need? I need 2-stroke oil for some lube and then some sandpaper. Okay. Oh, too much. Alright, let's see what these are measured out of the box. Okay. I'm gonna slightly open them up just a little bit. I don't want to go too much. Can't go back if I sand it too much. That barely fits. It's a little snug. I'm gonna go a little bit more. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, let's go for the next one. The bottom ring is going to be 0.009 inches. All right, let's see what this is out of the box. Okay, cool. That works. Put that out of the way, and then I'm gonna put the wrist pins on. I installed the piston. I'm gonna oil up the gasket. To do that, I'm just gonna put it in this bag with some 2-stroke oil. Yeah, it should work. Just let it soak it up for a little bit. Oh shit. You see how I also poured out the gaskets here, so the matchup's really nice. Okay, let me just install it. So the intake goes first. I think I'm gonna add the gasket later just while it's soaking up. So intake port goes to the intake side, of course. The bearings are inside, okay. Put this in. Alright. Now for the wrist pin clips. There's a certain direction that you install them, and it's gonna be vertical. So, like this, not like this, like this. Yeah, apparently if you put them on the horizontal side, it like pops out and it just like shreds your cylinder. So let's not do that. This does feel like a really big weak point though, because it's just like a clip. But that's how they designed it. Yeah. Okay, cool. That looks good. Alright, I'm going to put the base gasket on now. Add some of that 2-stroke oil around the cylinder walls. Intake side goes up. Oh yeah, so these piston rings have a certain way where it sits. You have to find that notch where the gap supposed to be. Let's see, where is it? Alright, here we go. Whew. Alright, this is the head gasket. The head has an O-ring somewhere. I think I'll also add some oil on this. For some extra seal. I'm gonna go hand tight on them. So 4 inch pounds would be right around here. All right, 7.